How to add language to your phone without using any third-party app. Did you know that you can add additional languages to your phone? Once you do, you can type in languages like Akan, Arabic, Hausa, French, among others. Click the WhatsApp icon to open the app and initiate a chat. When a keyboard appears, hit the settings icon. From the settings window, select language. There are a myriad of languages you can add. Below are suggested languages based on your country. Notwithstanding, there are still more languages you can add. If you scroll down, to add a language, select the language, for instance, Akan, and click the down button to add it. Let's select Arabic. As you can see, there are several Arabics one can choose, mostly based on a country. Since there may be little variations in the language, let's go in for Arabic Egypt and click the down button to activate it. Let's include Hausa in the chosen languages. Click Add, choose Hausa Ghana, and click Done to activate it. It is time to type and check if the unique alphabets in these languages will appear. When you find your preferred language, you can start typing. Let's type Enyenyamedin in the Akan language, which means it is not difficult for God. To switch between languages, toggle between various languages installed using the globe icon. Let's toggle again. If you locate Arabic and can't write it, just press any key to see the Arabic letter in the text area. These languages are now permanent on your phone unless you remove it. You can use them when sending text messages to a loved one. Let's try the Akan language and the Arabic language. They all work perfectly. Let's type the Akan language in the Google search engine. Once you are done, toggle again and try the Arabic in the Google search engine. Both languages worked perfectly. That's it, TechTricksGh. Don't forget to follow us for more. Like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more tutorials.